Welcome to LATAM MedTech Insights. This past week, a major development came out of Brazil that has the entire MedTech world talking. Brazil's regulatory agency, ANVISA, announced a new fast-track approval pathway for AI-powered medical devices and software as a medical device, or SAMD. On the surface, this is fantastic news for innovation. The program promises to slash review times, potentially allowing groundbreaking diagnostic tools to reach the massive Brazilian market faster than ever before. This could accelerate access to technologies like AI-powered imaging analysis for oncology or predictive algorithms for cardiovascular disease. For medtech companies, especially those ready to scale, this seems like a golden ticket to one of the largest markets in the Americas. However, there is a critical detail that many are overlooking. The fast-track approval came with a catch, a big one. It was released alongside a comprehensive and stringent new set of cybersecurity mandates that are even more demanding than current FDA or EU standards. These new rules are not just suggestions. They are mandatory for any company wishing to use the new accelerated pathway. The requirements include mandatory local data hosting for all patient information, the implementation of specific advanced encryption protocols, and the submission of a detailed threat mitigation and vulnerability management plan. A software bill of materials, or SBOM, is now also a non-negotiable part of the submission package. This has created a complex new challenge. Consider a company like CardioVision AI, a scale-up with a brilliant FDA-cleared diagnostic tool. They saw ANVISA's announcement and immediately targeted Brazil for their global expansion. They believed the fast track was their green light. Now, they are facing a full rework of their data architecture to meet local hosting requirements, something they had not budgeted for. Their technical team is scrambling to produce the deep-level cybersecurity documentation ANVISA is demanding. This means unexpected delays of several months and significant unforeseen costs, turning their green light into a complex regulatory maze. This move by ANVISA is a clear signal of regulatory maturity. They are embracing innovation but are determined to protect patient data and ensure device security from day one. Brazil is not just adopting global standards anymore, it is setting its own high bar for cybersecurity in medical technology. Successfully entering Brazil's AI medtech market now requires a dual strategy. You need speed, but you also need deep regulatory and technical foresight to navigate this new gauntlet. If your team is trying to understand these new rules and what they mean for your market access strategy, Chen-Global is here to help. Our local experts and advanced data tools can streamline this complex process. Contact us for more information.